What is weeds? Weeds are so unwanted that you find ways to manage and control their growth. By understanding how to control and manage weeds and reduce the mental burden of dealing with them. Weeds affect the growth of plants surrounding them by competing for nutrients, soil, water, and space. If left uncontrolled, weeds may become host for various plant diseases and pests that will cause you a more significant headache. In this topic, we will discuss weed control methods. First is preventive methods of weed control. It is done through phytosanitary measures and ensure that best agricultural practices are applied to reduce the incidence of pests to a low level. In weed management, prevention is crucial. A weed infestation that has gone awry and has increased over time may require more expensive control methods. Any method that prevents the establishment of weeds in a pasture or across a farm is considered preventive weed control. Second is cultural methods of weed control. Cultural methods of weed control is considered highly effective in weed management. Examples are crop rotation, deep tillage, removal of weeds, and adjusting sowing or harvesting time. Third is biological methods to control weed growth. Any technique involving the use of living agents that are natural suppressors of weed growth. Living agents such as grazing animals, insects, fungi, or bacteria are being used not only to eradicate weeds but also to control the germination of its seeds. Fourth is the chemical methods of weed control. Herbicides are considered the most effective and time-efficient method of weed control. The use or application of chemicals to weeds or soil to control weed growth. Fifth is the manual or mechanical methods of weed control. It involves the use of farm equipment to control weeds, and manual weeding involves the integrated use of cultural, manual, mechanical, or chemical control methods. There are types of weeds, such as broadleaf, sedges, and grass. Broadleaf is a tree or plant with wide flat leaves, those with leaves that have a flat, relatively broad surface. Sedges is a grass-like plant with triangular stems and inconspicuous flowers. Lastly, grass. It is typically short plants with long, narrow leaves growing wild or cultivated on lawns and pasture. So this is 1 square foot meter and I'm collecting weeds such as broadleaf, sedges, and grass. These are the weeds that I collected. And start measuring the weeds.